Good evening and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's late in the evening on Sunday night. I say it's late in the evening. It's 8:10 in the evening, but I've had to get special permission from Leah to go live just to thank you all. We've just hit 90,000 subscribers on YouTube. So now the countdown is really on to 100,000. Just to share with you what that really means, imagine a stadium of people. Imagine Wembley Stadium right now, 90,000 people. That's a virtual sellout of the stadium. It's incredible to think about it when you do, and that's where we are today. But now the hard work really starts, because now we have to take this a lot more seriously, because we talk to 90,000 people every day. We're going to count down now to 100,000. And when we hit 100,000, it'll be 0.8% of all channels in the world are over 100,000. So it's a huge privilege, a huge honor. Thank you all for all your support. We had to mark this occasion. Unfortunately, I couldn't be in the studio. I couldn't get Sensei with me. Sensei is fast asleep, getting ready for his breakfast show in the morning. But thanks to all of you for being here and part of this. This is an incredible, incredible evening. 90,000 subscribers. So thank you so, so much indeed. If you would like to mark the occasion and share it with me and bookmark it, go on our X account right now, and I've just posted it at the top. You might want to leave your thoughts and comments, and I'll reply to all of my members. So thank you very much for marking the occasion. But there it is, just a very brief live stream. But we're here to help and support, so we have to get back to work. As we predicted, as we expected, the reason why I sold so much at the top and cleared my margin is now the markets are going down on the tariff fears. So I'm ready to buy back with $35,000. I'm out of margin, so it can drop 20, 30, 40, even 50% before I turn margin on now, because I'm up that much on my S&P. So we're just going to stand by. There's no point rushing now. Nothing's going to change overnight. If it continues to drop, I will buy more. I'll start nibbling in around about now. You might see on X in a minute, I've nibbled a couple of shares of the S&P, because now it's a few dollars less than where I sold it at the top. I might buy 1 or 2 shares tonight, overnight, and every hour I'll check it and just keep laddering in. But the big purchases, the sort of 20, 30, 40, 50 shares of S&P won't start until tomorrow. And if we get a big crash, then I will buy with margin, but we shall see what happens. So who's here? Let me just see who's in the chat. We've got Amir, good evening. Beachfront Java, Kevin, Julian, wow, 90,000. Vinman ES, Alberto, Julian, Loon Charles, Yakish, Levi, Joshua, Amir, Amanda, Jam-Packed, William Myers, just subscribed. Thank you, Levi. You just joined us. You were probably our 90,000th subscriber. Congratulations, Martin. Let's make it 1 million. Well, we think we could be on 1 million in a couple of years from our growth at the moment. Scott, good job, Martin. Thank you. Kerring's, Hands, thank you. Amir, congratulations. Stephen Price, good evening. How you doing? Rod Lambers, William XRP Den, you're amazing. Thanks for your content. Thank you, because we're nothing without you, right? There's no show without the audience. Eddie, JP, congrats. RC, hey, I need a nice Englishman, says Nova Dasher. Unfortunately, I'm married, so that's not going to work. Andreas Johansson, Andreas is here also. Marco, Levi Dodson, XRP, and Rosa Cruz. Congratulations, Yuri. Congratulations to Stadavi. Thank you. Now the hard work starts. Now we move on to 100,000. This is the big countdown now, 90,000. We're not going to count 91, 92. We're just counting 90 down to 100,000, or up to 100,000, should I say. So thank you all for joining me. Thank you for all being part of this. Really appreciate it. We think we'll be at 100,000 subscribers, maybe in just a week or two. The rate we're growing, it's increasing, and 1 million within a couple of years. Thank you all. Thank you, Zax8, Wilfreda, RC, Deox, Purpley, Pixel Haze. Please now just jump into X go onto my X account and leave your thoughts on the post at the top, just so we can keep it forever. The moment we all were here, the moment it went to 90,000 subscribers. Just think of that. That's a stadium full of people all around the world. It's mind-blowing when you think about it. Congratulations, Uncle Martyn. I'll make 10,000 fan accounts and subscribe. What, to get to 100? No, don't do that, because it won't really count and you won't be able to watch. But that's very kind of you to say that. Anyway, I appreciate it. Once we get 100 in, then on the road to 250. Goal of December 26, 120,000. Wow. Isn't it amazing? All right, guys, I've got to go. Just keep your eye out now on the market. It is dropping. It is what we said. This is why I trimmed my position. I'm 99% fully invested. I've sold from the top, so all my positions are 40, 50% up, so I can let the market crash 50%. We could get that with a carry trade and an unwind of the tariffs. Have some cash on the side. I hope you all took profit at the top. Big day tomorrow, of course, with XRP. What's going to happen with all this other macro stuff going on? We don't know. Fingers crossed, XRP goes up tomorrow and everybody makes lots of money. Thank you very much for sharing the moment. What date is it today, Leah? What's the date today? You don't know? Does anyone know what the date is today? Is it the 14th of July? Is it the 14th of July? Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Sunday, July 13th.
July the 13th. 90,000 subscribers. We did it. Thank you ever so much. I completely forgot. That's it. 8:15 in the evening. We did it. Now on to 100,000. I love you all. See you in the morning. Sensei will be live for the breakfast show. I'll be right after that with the main show. That's it from me. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Be safe, be careful. And as always, with 90,000 subscribers, take care of yourselves and each other. You can do the same thing. I started with nobody. Just sat here and worked. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you.